LIFE-KEDROS improved the conservation status and resilience of cedar forests at risk from climate change in a Cyprus Natura 2000 site. The team undertook silvicultural treatments for the first time and reduced competition between mature and young cedar trees. They restored 12 hectares of degraded habitat, planted 8 hectares of new cedar habitat, and installed a seed bank for reforestation. They closed more than 30 kilometers of forest roads to improve habitat connectivity and stability. Fire patrols became more frequent and controlled grazing was encouraged to reduce flammable vegetation on the ground.